Hello everyone! This video tutorial is for occupational therapists to help you score Peabody or PDMS-2 more quickly and efficiently. This video is for scoring purposes only, so let's assume we already have our raw scores. Let's calculate Ethan's scores together. He is 3.6 years old or 42-month-old boy. I'm going to turn to Appendix A and find the age of 42 months. After adding up my scores for the subtest, I received a raw score of 41 for fine motor skills and 103 for visual motor skills. Fine motor subtest is the same as grasping. I go down to 41 and find that it's a standard score of 4. When I look to the left, the percentile rank is 2. Go down the visual motor column to 103. The standard score is 6. And percentile rank is 9. Those are the most important pages that will help you with scoring. Let's go to page 114. To help me find the pages quicker, I use the sticky notes. Let's find the quotient by adding the standard scores. 4 plus 6 is 10. Go down the fine motor column, find 10. The quotient is 70. Page 114 is done. Let's move to page 118. This will give us the age equivalents in months. Let's use a raw score of 41. Locate the grasping column and find 41. Now look to the right. Age equivalent in months is 15 months. Let's go down the visual motor column to 103. Age equivalent 29-month-old level for visual motor skills. Page 118 is done. Next is page 124. Let's find the z-score. Let's find quotient of 70 in the column. Once you find it, you move your hand to the left and it says negative 2.00 for the z-score. Let's turn to page 31 next. This chart will help us understand our standard scores a little better. Standard score of 4 will give us a description of poor level of functioning for fine motor skills. Standard score of 6 on visual motor subtest will give us a description of below average functioning. Sometimes I take an extra step and look at the description of my quotient. quotient of 70 is at poor level of functioning when both subtests are combined. Let's go over the scores one more time. Ethan is functioning at 15-month-old level for fine motor skills and 29-month-old level for visual motor skills. He scored at 2 percentile for fine motor skills, which means 98% of kids his age performed higher than he did on this subtest. And he scored 9 percentile for visual motor skills, which means 91% of kids his age tested higher than he did. When both subtests are added, the quotient of 70 gives us a poor level of functioning. And that's how I score my Peabody. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!